To link your PayPal to Twitch, start by logging in to your Twitch account and navigating to the dashboard. Click on the profile picture in the top right corner and select Creator Dashboard from the drop-down menu. In the Creator Dashboard, click on the Settings option from the left sidebar and then select Stream from the submenu. Scroll down to the Donations section and click on the Edit button next to Payment Methods. In the Payment Methods section, click on the Add a Payment Method button and select PayPal from the list of available options. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to authenticate your account. Enter your PayPal login credentials and authorize Twitch to access your PayPal account. Once you have authorized Twitch, you will be redirected back to the Twitch website. In the Payment Methods section, you should now see PayPal listed as one of your available payment methods. Make sure to set PayPal as your primary payment method to receive donations and subscriptions. To test your PayPal setup, try sending a test donation to your own channel. This will help you verify that your PayPal account is linked correctly and that you can receive payments without any issues. It is essential to note that Twitch has a partnership with PayPal, which allows for seamless integration and secure transactions. By linking your PayPal to Twitch, you can receive donations and subscriptions from your viewers and get paid securely. Additionally, ensure that your PayPal account is verified and that you have a confirmed email address associated with your account. This will help prevent any delays or issues with receiving payments. By following these steps, you can easily link your PayPal to Twitch and start receiving donations and subscriptions from your viewers. This will help you monetize your channel and grow your community. Remember to always follow Twitch's community guidelines and terms of service when receiving donations and subscriptions. This will help you maintain a positive and engaging community and avoid any potential issues with your account. In conclusion, linking your PayPal to Twitch is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely receive payments and grow your channel on Twitch.